How to hide following list on Instagram without private account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, you'll be landed on the main page. Now, if you want to hide the following list on Instagram without a private account, what you can simply do over here is you can simply first of all, tap or search for the person that you'd want to hide the following list for. So, for example, if I want to hide the list from this particular account, what you can simply do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of their profile. Simply tap on block and then tap on block again. So, when you block any other account, then they will not be able to find your account over here and they'll not be able to know what your following list is on Instagram. And you do not even have to create your account private. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.